putting this together, the instructions show the parts. I'm taking D and I'm going to add the two C pieces. Big letter D, big letter C. And D goes upright, and you put these two on, and it looks like there's two little wheels on here. You can see those here. And it's supposed to click. Well, this D piece, it has look kind of a raw and then more of a polished side. But the only way to get that to click, you see this thing that's upright right here, is to make it click into this hole. And the only way to do that is to put it on like this, where you have the polished piece and then this on the this part on the inside. There, click, click, click. Let's do the other end. Pop it up a little bit so it won't fall over. Alright, I got those ends on. They're a little flimsy. I'm going to turn it on its side and put the B piece on. It looks pretty symmetrical, so I'm just going to go with the D up. And this has an up arrow too, so I'm going to put it in the direction of the up arrows on the end, which points in that way. Okay, see those tabs snap in here. I'm going to do the same thing with piece A. Line up the back first. J is the top. Takes this bricks and there are 4 riser pegs we're going to put on here and screw this in. All 4 of those screws put in here. Give it some support. We're going to put the top on with the hinges. But you notice in the back there's a hole here and a hole here, and you have 2 little wing protrusions. We're going to go up here. Presumably we smack them in. And they're in. When we put this hinge on, there's 1, 2, 3 holes for those 3 holes in the metal. And they're going to screw in here. And then this little bracket's going to screw in those 2 holes right here. Get those 3 in, those 2, same on this side. Be real careful when you're screwing all these parts, because that's just a little plastic hole. Don't tighten it too much, and if you use an electric drill, make sure the clutch is loose so it doesn't strip out. If it strips out, just put some glue in there, glue it. Wobbles a little bit coming out. little gas shock. Pull it right in the middle, get them even. Let's fill her up. These little wheels snap in. Got her filled up. A little cockeyed. I think it's going to do better on a patio where it's harder surface. I'm going to put my wood chips and my wood, oak and pecan, and some little casters for the plants. My smoking kit. Yeah, it's more stable. Good to go.